Hi everyone, what we have to teach ourselves today is Yoruba counting, which we know as Ònkà Yorùbá. I want you to know something, that Yorubas has a way of counting things such as goods, house, population, and so on and so forth, even before the arrival of British, before the arrivals of foreign education. Yoruba has a way they count things. So this is a system of counting. 1, ọ̀kan, but when it comes to counting, you call it ení. 2, méjì. 3, mẹ́ta. 4, mẹ́rin. 5, márùn-ún. 6, mẹ́fà. 7, méje. 8, mẹ́jọ. 9, mẹ́sàn-án. 10, mẹ́wàá. Before we proceed, because we are to check 1 to 30, ká tó tẹ̀síwájú torí ọ̀kan dórí ọgbọ̀n ni à ń lọ. Let's take a look at this example which I have for us here. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are to count in Yoruba land, there is a way you count. For instance, you are to count books. Maybe you have 4 books, so you count them accordingly. Ení, méjì, mẹ́ta, mẹ́rin, which means what? 4 books. Ìwé mẹ́rin. If you want to say, I have 4 books. Mo ní ìwé mẹ́rin. So, let's proceed. 11, mọ́kànlá. That is 10 plus 1. Before the arrival of foreign education, Yoruba has what we call addition, subtraction, and also multiplication. So this is the use of addition here. 10 plus 1, it gives us 11. Mẹ́wàá kárò pọ̀ mọ́ ọ̀kan, ó fún wa ní mọ́kànlá. Méjìlá, 10 plus 2 gives us 12. Mẹ́tàlá, 10 plus 3. What do we mean by la? That means 1 is being added to 10. That is, 1 is being added to 10. It gives us mọ́kànlá. That mọ́kàn means 1. Mọ́kànlá. Méjìlá, you can see méjì, which we see here, which means what? 2. So which means 2 plus 10 gives us 12. Here we have mẹ́tàlá, that is 10 plus 3, followed by mẹ́rìnlá, 10 plus 4 gives us 14, followed by márùndínlógún. Now, I want you to take note on this. We use the system of subtraction. We use the system of subtraction. 20 minus 5 gives us 15. Márùndínlógún, D means minus. D means what? Minus. So where is D? This is D. D means minus. Márùn means what? 5. Márùndínlógún, ogún means what? 20. So we are to remove 5 from 20, which will give us what? 15. Márùndínlógún, that is, it remains just 5 to be up to 20. It remains just 5 for the number, for whatever we are counting, to be up to 20. We have mẹ́rìndínlógún. Mẹ́rin means what? Mẹ́rin means 4, just like we have it here. Where is it? Mẹ́rin, 4. Dín means what? Like I've said earlier, dín means minus. Ogún means what? 20. Don't forget. So ogún means 20. Ogún means 20. Dín means minus. That is 4 minus 20. It gives us what? 16. 16. Here we have mẹ́tàdínlógún. Mẹ́tàdínlógún. Mẹ́ta is what? 3. Thank you. Mẹ́ta is what? 3. Ogún is what? 20. Dín is what? Minus. Mẹ́tàdínlógún, that is, you have to subtract 3 from 20. So it gives us what? 17. Méjìdínlógún. Méjìdínlógún means what? 18. Ọ̀kàndínlógún, 19. Ogún, 20. So the same system we used here will be used here as well. Mọ́kànlélógún, that is 20 plus 1. 1 is being added to 20. Méjìlélógún, 2 is being added to 20, which is 22. Mẹ́tàlélógún, 3 is being added to 20, that is 23. Mẹ́rìnlélógún, 4 is being added to 20, gives us 24. Márùndínlọ́gbọ̀n, that is 5 is being subtracted from 30, so it gives us 25. Mẹ́rìndínlọ́gbọ̀n, that means 4 is being subtracted from 30, it gives us what? 26. Mẹ́tàdínlọ́gbọ̀n, that is 3 is being subtracted from 30 and it gives us what? 27. Méjìdínlọ́gbọ̀n, that is 2 is being subtracted from 30 and it gives us what? 28. Ọ̀kàndínlọ́gbọ̀n, 1 is being subtracted from 30 and it gives us 29. Ọgbọ̀n. Ọgbọ̀n means 30. Please do not forget to like our page. Don't forget to share with your loved ones. Like, comment and share. Thank you.